Oh la la.
I'm in good.
Yeah.
You sure?
It's a rock factory.
Grand Ghana, Grand Jamaica, Rock Factory, the best of Ghana, the year of return, cultural exchange, yard vibes, authentic. It's just the best of Ghana. I'm here at Namba at Wakanda Beach. You don't know the story about Wakanda, right? You didn't know there was a beach in Ghana called Wakanda. I am telling you, this is the best of everything. The food, the beach, the ambience, oh my God. The vibe, everything, it's just nice. It's just real, authentic vibe. Like oh my God.
One time I sit down and pray. Sometimes I wonder if what if when me say step out, me did a step back? What if me never smoke weed and I smoke crack? What if me never master my craft? Business lock. Wonder how them girl ya woulda react. What if me did a bleach fit on brown because me black? What if me tattoo me eye, me face, me neck and I'm back? What if me was the type of person fi murder me friend because him borrow me strap and not bring it back? What if me did a grab pearl
It's a rock
and broke shop?
factory.
Police pull me over and me vehicle full of shop. Big shootout, you say turf skull crack. Simple mean I woulda made this man the microphone a chat. What if we never have selectors?
It's a rock factory.
We are Jamaican. Ghana. Big up Rock Factory. All the massive them, you know. We're there. In Ghana.
Wait the town and tell the people how the physical needs.
It's a rock factory.
Jamaica to Ghana.